lecture. So when we talk about a statement, let me say statement. We have majorly we have two categories of a statement. Uh, let me say two categories of statement. And one of the statements we have a if statement, which they are for and why statement, and for each. You understand? We have loop statement. In loop statement, we have for statement, we have why statement, we have for each. You understand? And then we have another. Let me make multiple line comment. We have a loop statement. We have for. We have a why statement. We have for each. And then we have if 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 and else statement. You understand? We call it have switch statement. So you see, these statements, they are just expression that you write. You understand? They are just what expression that you will do what that you write. So and when we talk about loops, we are going to start with if statement. In if statement, we have a boolean data type. We have, I told you before that we have a boolean data type which will evaluate to what true or what or false. So if statement will every condition in the if statement must evaluate what true or false. And have I teach you operators, and all those what about the conditional operator when we have greater than, less than. I've taught you this. Now, for example, let me give an example of if the signature of if. You see, if you put the condition here, you can have a multiple condition. And if you are having multiple condition, you can either use or you use and to join condition together. And then you have a brace, you close. If this condition met, what do you want to do? You put it here. Maybe you want to say console.log welcome. You get it. Maybe you just want to say this. So any this is the signature. If you say if inside the opening and close bracket, you have the conditions there. You may have multiple conditions. If it's one condition, you don't need to use or and. If it's multiple condition, maybe you want the two conditions to occur at the same time. You say if this and this. You understand? But in and in this thing, you don't use this and. This is what we use as or. This is what we use as and. You understand? You don't use this normal and you don't use this or. So now let's do something. Let's say constant age is equal to 10. You understand? We want to test. What we want to do is we want to test if this age is equal to, the age is greater than 10. We want to print something. Otherwise, we print something like. So I can now say if age greater than 10, I can say console.log. We choose the right age. I can now say S. That is, if this one is not valid, it will go here. I can say console.log. We did not choose the right age. Now, if we run, what we are saying is, you see this condition is like age greater than what? It will evaluate to true. It will either be true or false. If I say less than, and if I want to combine, I can say and age less than 20. You understand? That is multiple expression. I say age greater than this and this. You understand? I say you did not choose the right what age. So if we log it like I say node statement dot yes, If you lost it, you did not choose the right age, because age is not greater than 10. If you look at it, yes. Let's say, you see, now I said you choose the right what age. You understand? All this expression, this thing must evaluate to either true or false. You understand? Let me quickly respond to this guy. So now you understand this. But let's say you want to say, okay, if the age, let's say, okay, constant name is equal to, or let's say equal to Odofin. And I can say, okay, I want to test if the name is Odofin. You understand? I can ask, okay, if a name equal to, yes, Odofin, console of log, yeah, correct. I can answer yes, you are wrong. If I run this, you say you are correct. So if I say name is equal to Jide, it will tell me that you are wrong. This is it, because this thing is not equal to this. This equal to, I told you, when we have greater than, less than, equal to, this is equal to is for Boolean expression. It will either ever evaluate what, true or false. Hmm. Ask question. I just take note. We are using name now, but this value, it may be expected value you are going to get from somewhere, which you need to take certain decision on them. You can put any value there. Number less than. Anything you want to do, you do it inside the condition here. You can't do this, is just a variable declaration, instantiation. We assign a variable a value. But to test for condition, your condition has to be inside the opening and closing bracket of this if. Now let's say we want to test now that, okay, we want people to be signing up. You understand? We want people to sign up, and we are expecting your number to either be 1 to 3. So any number outside 1 to 3, we will not take it. You understand? I can go. I can say, if let's use something to denote the number that we're expecting. Let's say expected number is equal to 1. You understand? But if I say, if expected number equal to 1, I can say console dot log you are the first person, I can go ahead and I say S if I can add multiple S. If I just say S if expected number equal to 2,
Okay, that's
console dot
another
log.
statement.
Yes, but it has to be S. That is, if not this, it will be this. I want to test for that three condition. You are the second person. I can go ahead and say S if expected number is equal to, how many conditions do you want to test? Three. Three. I can say console dot what log. You are the third person. If it's not one, it's not two, it's not three, that is when we say S.
S. Okay.
Console dot log out of range. Me, I can say out of now, or you are not expected. Okay, let's just say okay, you are not expected. You are not expected. So take note of this number. We keep changing this number so that we're able to see the result. Say you are the first person. If I put 0 now, right?
Yes.
Tell me you are
You
not
are.
what
Yes.
expected. This
You
is
are
the
one.
last one. This don't let me console log this one.
No, I understand. Leave it. Leave
So
it.
because we console log here,
Yes.
can you see it?
Mm.
This is how to use multiple this thing. Let us say if let's say that we want to accept 0,
Okay.
and so we can go ahead and say
Say
um,
if S is
yes, if expected equal
equal
to
to
0,
0.
I can say console dot log you are the least person.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm.
Can you see? You tell me you are the least person. Before we add that condition, it's telling me that you are not expected. You understand?
Mm.
These are the conditions. But there are times that you want to combine two or more conditions together. If you want to, you want the same thing to happen.
Okay.
Let's say, okay, number 4. We want to say, okay, number 4, anybody that take number 4,
Mm.
5, 6,
Okay.
they are, let's say, we call them guest. You are the guest. You understand? Let's say anybody that take number 5, 6. So we can say, yes, if expected number equal to 4,
Mm-hmm.
if you say and is or
Four.
expected number equal to 5, or expected number equal to what?
Okay.
6, I can say okay, console dot log you are the guest. You understand?
Mm.
Which means that if I enter any of this,
Yes.
it will tell me I'm the guest.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
If I enter 4, it will still tell me I am the what? Guest. If I enter 6, it will still tell me I'm the what? Guest. If I enter 5, it's the same thing. You understand?
Yes.
So, and if you now combine it, if you combine it together, we can still combine it, but let's stop here.
Combine.
No, with and instead of or. Go and study this one first. I will not send it to you. Go and watch the video, type it.